happened.
I remember you
5 times.
I remember the last time, yeah.
This has happened like 5 times.
Really?
So the plumbing's, it was built like 1980.
Wow.
The washer.
Right.
It may be connected with a trap of some sort or something.
Yeah.
But there's a stack and it exits down towards the basement and cracked.
And you said there's sewage in the bathtubs?
Well, I emptied it out. I bucketed it out and put it in my master.
So we got a clean out right here in the front. Okay, so we just walked around for 30 minutes trying to understand how the sewer works. So they got 2 sewers basically. They have one that drops down in the middle and it's all above ground in this parking garage down here, and it ties in. There's a clean out right behind this door right here, and then it connects to the city sewer. But then there's a bathroom group on the 3rd floor where they all come down and then they Y into the sewer, and then the sewer comes out right here. But he was saying that it probably 45s, but it's all under these concrete patios, which is really kind of unfortunate, but most likely I'm going to pop this and there's not going to be any issue, because he was saying that the issue is where 3 and 4, there's 7 units here. The only units that are affected are 3 and 4, and they're both on the same stack. And they said the issue in the past has been where it Ys into the sewer right here. So, but I like to check things off the list. Yeah, so there's nothing. And they also have a clean out in the back as well that I'll pop off just to make sure, check things off the list. He said there was an indoor clean out, but they drywalled over it. But I wouldn't be able to use that anyway. So last option I have is there's a vent on their roof. I'll probably have to chain it. So it'll be a hell of a time getting my Model 300 up 3 flights of stairs.
3-4. We share the pipe, so we both use it, and it keeps filling up with water. And if it can't drain out, eventually.
So it's 16 feet.
But whose Y is that? How far are you?
That's probably the Y between right there up there.
That's 5.
So that's the Y.
Actually, you see what he's doing? He's putting a camera down the drain and then looking at it.
So now we're at 34 feet. Look at this.
So that's closer to where mine would be. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that root intrusion.
And
that's coming out of the Y right there.
That's it. That's the problem. So it has to be it.
So that's 35 feet though.
Where's the tree coming from? Is that one in front of our house?
Wow. Now we're approaching 53 feet. And look at that. What is that thing? It looks like the sewer drops in from the top. Look at that. What is that?
Oh no.
It's underwater right there. Look at that. Oh, let me clear. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
What the hell is that?
What is that? That's coming from up top.
You know what that looks like is a. So now we're on the roof. You got a 2-inch here for the stack, most likely. So we're gonna try to get the camera down there. So we're 12 feet in. You can see the water right there. That's the camera. That's the lights on the camera. There's literally no way to get a Model 300 up here. Pulled out some roots. Still no go. Let's keep trying. Just cleared it.
You hear it draining on?
Okay.
Gotta be a better way to do this. All we've been doing is just mitigating like damage to damage from each unit in the sewer line for like the past decade.
So you transition here from, this looks like that's ABS, and it transitions to cast iron. That's definitely not sleeved. So that right there must be where your...
How far?
12 feet.
Oh, so you're still in the stack though?
Yeah, we're still vertical.
I don't know what he sleeved. That's the thing.
This is not sleeved at all.
Probably didn't sleeve.
For the back-to-back bathrooms. The bathroom groups tie into that. That's why it's so damn big. Looks like there's a chunk cut out of that, but anyway, I tried it with the 2-inch because for whatever reason, I didn't think the 4-inch chains would. I thought they'd get stuck in there, but no, that's all it took. But apparently they. Yeah, there you go. Right there is the flush. Yeah. So apparently they had I don't know, we checked the whole sewer and there was nothing, couldn't really tell if it was sleeved or not, but sleeving is kind of a gimmick. I mean, it can work in very specific situations, but he's like, we had this sleeved in 2013 or 2019, and I was like, well, they probably just sold you on something, get some money out of you. Hate to say it, but nothing looks sleeved in the camera. So I don't know, man. Hard to say. It's all good.